there, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to look up how much items sold for on eBay when a best offer was accepted. No eBay store subscription required. Hey, I'm Lee Meyer, and I'm the founder of Listing of Freedom and the Empowered Reseller. And I help clothing resellers make more money without hustling harder. Let's get started. All right, so you've been doing some research on eBay. Maybe you've been looking up comparable sales and trying to figure out how much you should price something. And you've come across these listings where the sold price is crossed out and it says that a best offer has been accepted. So how do you know, okay, how much did it sell for? Did it sell for close to the asking price? Or did it sell for way under the asking price? That could be important information for you depending on what you're listing. So I've got a couple of listings here that I'm going to show you exactly how to find the exact number that they sold for. Before we head on over to my computer so I can show you exactly how to do this, I want to take a second to invite you to my free Reseller Bootcamp. Reseller Bootcamp is for you if you're new to this whole reselling thing or you're wondering how to make a business out of reselling. In it, I'm giving you my best secrets that I've learned from making over $100,000 selling used items on sites like eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari. And you'll find a link to get that free bootcamp in the description below this video. All right, so let's head on over to my computer and I'll show you how to look up those sold prices when a best offer has been accepted. All right, so I'm at my computer and I've got a couple listings pulled up for you so I can show you how to do this. So this first listing here, you're gonna see that the price has been crossed out and it says best offer has been accepted. And so it was listed for $475, but do you know, did it sell for $470? Did it sell for $1? Like, how much did it sell for exactly? And there's not really a way to know that how much it sold for except for with a tool that's called Terapeak. Now, previously, Terapeak was only available to eBay store subscribers, but eBay has since made some changes, some improvements, and has made that available, that tool available, at least this portion that we're going to be using, available to all sellers, which is everybody, because everybody can be an eBay seller, right? So the way to get into Terapeak, first you need to be using eBay Seller Hub, and you can opt into eBay Seller Hub if you don't already have eBay Seller Hub. It's really simple. I'm going to leave the link to opt into eBay Seller Hub in the description below this video. You just click on that and say, hey, I want to start using eBay Seller Hub. And once you're in eBay Seller Hub, you're going to come to research and then Terapeak product research. And so this is where you can enter whatever information that you want to research, whatever type of item that you want to research. And so I have this first example here where you can take the title and you're just going to copy and paste that into the Terapeak search bar, and you can change the time range here. So right now I have it set up for 2 years. It doesn't need to be that long. I could actually go less days, and then hit research. If you are researching a product that, sold a year ago or 6 months ago or, however long, then you would need to change that here in order for it to show up into the search results. And so there is that one item that matches the title. And I will say that the search engine in Terapeak is different than eBay's search engine, so it may not pull up that exact item, but you'll need to play around with it a little bit. And so this item comes up and we can see the exact price that it sold for. So remember, it was listed for $475. It actually sold for $450, so just $25 less than what that asking price was. All right, so the next item that we can use for an example, this is another North Face jacket. Again, just copy that title, come back into the Terapeak and search that. And so there's a couple results here, but we can tell based off of the what the photo looks like as well as the date sold. So you can compare the date sold if you're getting a lot of results that end up coming up. We can see that this jacket sold for $450 and the asking price on it was $500. So it sold for just $50 less than the asking price. I hope this video has helped you better understand how to find the exact price when a best offer has been accepted. Again, if you have not gone through my reseller bootcamp, I would highly recommend it. I give you my best secrets inside a bootcamp, and you can sign up in the link below this video. Thanks for watching and see you soon.